The more I look at this car, I freaking love it.
I always loved the 33. The 33 was my first Skyline GTR.
I remember.
So yeah. I mean, I still love them.
James and I are just kind of going over all the little things left to do to it.
When it came out of Autobahn in the last video, the car wanted to look so perfect, but the headlights stopped it from doing that. But now we got these Wise Square replacement lenses on the holy grail of lights for R33, the projectors, right?
The xenons, I love that.
Oh, dude. So Wise Square includes instructions on how to put the lens onto your existing headlight. It is not an easy task. We called out to our friends at Modern Retrofits in Costa Mesa. They knocked it out. They literally did like a one-day turnaround for us, right? So big thanks to Modern Retrofits for taking care of this for us. They turned out beautiful.
What a difference.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're going to go through the work of putting this much effort into a paint job, you got to do that.
You have to. Believe it or not, the provisions for them are not even here. I had to move the ballast around.
Oh, you did?
I did, and I had to rearrange some other things. The wiring harness is incorrect because the whole radiator support is different for the HIDs.
So sick.
So there's a reason why this car is in the booth looking like a flying saucer, is because we are prepping it for a wheel swap. And while we're at it here, we can take a moment to look at these beautiful Brembo GTs. This is a little bit smaller, but it's a multi-piece.
Do you see all the Nismo control arms?
Oh yeah, it's got the gusseted control arms.
They just need to be cleaned up.
Yeah.
But you know, there's your Nismo logos here. That's pretty cool. Obviously, it's got some tank coilovers on it. But a lot of the stuff came with the car. You know, we stepped up to purchase this car just because it has so much cool stuff on it.
Oh, look. Oh, aren't you beautiful? Yeah, you like that, don't you? Yeah, you're a bad little car.
The front stoppers, that's where the action is. Those are those gigantic rotors with the 6-piston. We're going to clean all this up and it's going to look beautiful. We're actually working on the wheel wells also. The Evo and the R33 GTR are very close friends at this point, and they're going to be trading wheels today.
The wheels have been stolen off of that Evo 10. I told you guys in that video, Daryl really just bought that car for the wheels. It is the perfect fitment for this R33 GTR. We are going to address some of the ride height in the front because this is how it came from shipping. They raise the coilover so that way it doesn't damage the front lip or cause anything unnecessary to happen while it's in the port's hands. So we're going to go ahead and take the wheels off, lower it. We already figured out we want to adjust the gap about 3/4 of an inch in the front, which is the fender gap to the top of the tire. So we're going to go ahead and jack it up, take the wheels off, adjust the coilovers, and get it back on the ground.
We've stolen the wheels off of the Evo 10, and Alex just lowered the car ever so slightly. The mirrors have been installed. We went back with the factory mirrors. And of course, badges.
Badges? We ain't got no badges.
We put all new badges on it. It's got a new Fender GT badges, the GTR badge on the on the grill, and then of course the GTR badge on the deck lid. Come check out the interior. So what we ended up doing is removing all of the carbon fiber overlay, and we finished that in trim paint.
That turned out so nice.
It came out really well. It came out great.
Really, it cleaned up the interior so much.
I mean, it's in need of a steering wheel. Probably go with an Alcantara steering wheel of some sort. Love the R34 seats in this car. Of course, we did the Nismo wing, right? We redid the carbon on that. The diffuser looks amazing. It's top secret. Is that what it is?
It's a secret.
Shut up.
We ended up re-clearing it. We'd love to hear what you guys think. Stay tuned. We still have a few more details to sort out on this car. Look forward to a coming video with this, the Mark IV, the NSX, and possibly the FD. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment and stay tuned for more.